Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by locking inputs that actually change outcomes, playing Roman 11 updates, pitch behavior, and weather. Once done, scan for late injury or rotation alerts and remove unavailable players immediately. Make sure to rank players by recent form, matchup value, and role scarcity. This is why credits matter. Allocate the 100 credits across batsmen, bowlers, all-rounders, and wicketkeeper with captain and vice priorities in mind. Do this first. It prevents wasted combinations later. Now you build actual lineups. Start with 2-3 core teams sharing 6-7 reliable players, then add 3-5 variants that include a differential pick or alternate captain. Once done, respect Dream11 rules for roles and your team cap limits. Balance 4-5 batsmen, 3-5 bowlers, 1-3 all-rounders, 1 wicketkeeper. Make sure to simulate expected points. Multiply captain by 2, vice by 1. 5. This is why captain selection flips outcome. Finally, save before late lock. Finish by doing a final sweep. Confirm playing Roman 11, toss, and late injuries, then lock teams. Once done, distribute entries. Use conservative builds in cash games and 1-2 risky drafts in grand leagues to chase upside. Make sure to timestamp everything to avoid last-minute errors and to save multiple versions. If things go wrong, such as a surprise player out, immediately swap that player in every saved team and reassess captain choices. Timing here is everything, so act fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.